I have a lot of free time to clean up the family kitchen this morning. Oh no, look at this massive mountain of dirty breakfast dishes in the sink. I must wear these yellow rubber gloves to protect my hands from the dirty water. I am scrubbing this greasy pot carefully, but the black dirt is stuck tightly. This household chore is taking too much time, and my irritation is growing fast. Marcus hates washing dishes. This job is boring. Hey, buddy. Need something? Vocalizations.
You want me to do what? Wait, say that again?
I still have 20 white porcelain plates left to clean by myself today.
I am going out to the green backyard lawn to play a fun game now.
Have a great day outside in the sunshine, Toby, but play safely near the fence.
That is a hilarious amount of work, but the kitchen is finally clean now. I will go to the quiet home study now and take a long rest.
I am completely back from the market with lots of fresh yellow lemons today. Marcus did a wonderful job. The food prep counters look very clean and neat.
Hello, my beautiful green talking parrot. Did you enjoy your quiet morning inside the room?
Marcus hates washing dishes. This job is boring.
What did you just say? Who hates washing the dirty dishes inside this house?
Marcus hates washing dishes. This job is boring.
Oh my goodness, look at this. Marcus was speaking very impolite words around the copycat pet. Marcus, please come into the family kitchen room immediately, right now.
What is that loud shouting inside the kitchen, Clara? Did something break on the table?
Listen closely to the uncle's copycat bird, Marcus, and tell me what you hear. Marcus hates washing dishes. This job is boring.
Oh my goodness! The parrot is repeating my exact grumbling words out loud. I did not think the little green bird would memorize my complaining words so quickly today.
You must always remember to speak kind and polite words at all times, Marcus. The uncle's pet bird is making a massive loud mess with those words, Father.
I am very sorry, Chloe. I was grumbling unhappily about my household job earlier.
We must always choose our words carefully, because your words can be repeated by others, children.
Is the green bird still shouting loud words inside the kitchen room, Mother?
A polite speech and kind words make the whole family life peaceful and smooth always.
Yes, Mother. Speaking politely to everyone saves valuable time and prevents bad arguments.
From now on, I will only use polite and happy phrases around our uncle's pet bird.
Choose polite language in the house and enjoy a smooth and happy school day.
We are completely ready to make a delicious homemade cheese pizza today.
I want to help you spread the tasty red tomato sauce very fast.
The red tomato sauce is perfect for a fun pizza baking day.
I am scattering lots of yellow cheese all over the crust now.
I will fetch a clean baking tray from the wall cabinet, Toby.
Wait a minute. Where are the sweet red pepper sprinkles hidden? I will add 3 big scoops of these sweet red pepper sprinkles safely.
The pizza looks very colorful with those red toppings. Let us bake it now.
Ha!
The homemade pizza is fully baked and smells very fresh from the hot oven.
I am so hungry after all this cooking, I must taste a slice immediately. Oh my goodness! My mouth feels completely on fire from this hot food.
Water! I need cold liquid quickly because these red flakes are burning my tongue.
Did you get hurt by the hot crust, Father? There is white milk inside the fridge.
I must drink some cold milk immediately to stop this volcanic heat. Ah, that cold milk feels very freezing and fresh against my burning tongue.
Toby, these are not sweet red pepper sprinkles. This jar is filled with hot volcanic chili flakes.
Oh no! I did not read the container cover. I am very sorry for ruining our cheese pizza.
We must always be more careful with unknown spice containers inside the cooking room, children. Calm down, my little boy. We can mix a new circle of pizza dough together safely now.
Everyone, let us follow a strict safety boundary rule before adding any hot flavors to family meals. Smell or taste spices carefully before adding them to family meals to prevent dangerous accidents.
Yes, Father. Checking the smells of spice jars carefully saves valuable cooking time. Following the family cooking rules makes our holiday baking day much smoother and happier. Here is the clean rolling pin, Father. Let us make a fresh crust right now.
Thank you, son. Let's do it.
I always smell the sweet green herbs before adding them to our fresh tomato sauce layers.
I am checking the labels carefully this time to find the real sweet pepper.
The second homemade pizza is completely finished and smells incredibly sweet and delicious.
Wow, this flavor is perfect and has a wonderful sweet taste without any volcanic burn.
Hooray! The new pizza tastes amazing, and our cooking day is completely saved.
You did a wonderful job by checking the container labels carefully before cooking, Toby. Smell or taste spices carefully before adding them to family meals to prevent dangerous accidents.
Yes, Father. Keeping things in their correct slots saves valuable cooking time and prevents hot burns. I am going out to the green garden lawn to play a fun game now, everyone.